morning, my dear students. Today in this class we are going to discuss a new chapter in history subject or history part, that is the Reformation. So Reformation is nothing but a rechanging. Reformation is nothing but a rechanging, bringing a new formation in the religious system as well as social as well as religious and also in a political. Okay, in this system, bringing a changes in this system. So let me go through the chapter. Look at in your textbooks. The Reformation. Reformation means improvement in the existing form or condition of institutions or practices, etc. That is intended to make a striking change in social and political or religious affairs. So already I told. So Reformation is nothing but bringing changes in existing situations. Okay. So in the previous chapter we discussed church have complete power, like political power as well as religious power. Church not only playing a role in religiously but taking under the power of political power. So to bring changes these conditions are bringing changes in these conditions, that is called a Reformation. Okay, so how they are bringing through the social conditions. One is social conditions, political conditions, political as well as religious. So when the religious conditions were changed, people will change. When the people will change, society will change, that is social change. So when these two changes brought in the society, the political conditions will automatically change. Okay, so next look at in your textbook. A religious revolution began in 16th century in Europe to reform the Roman Catholic Church. Till then, the church, particularly the office of the papacy, had become deeply involved in the political, social and religious life of Western Europe. The popes wielded extensive power over Christian nations. So here, Catholic Church, Roman Catholic Church, popes are in the Christianity there are two groups. One is Catholics and Protestants. Okay, so in the Europe or in the Renaissance period, the main religious in the Christianity, a main group Christianity is a Catholics. Okay, so Catholic popes have a complete power under them. Okay, so religious means Catholics. Catholic Church. So Reformation will occurs in this Catholic Church only. Okay. Next look at in your textbook. The original thinking of certain scholars led to the rise of spirit of inquiry. People began to question the church and its teaching owing to the Renaissance movement. Thus began the historic Reformation movement. So how the historic Reformation, how the Reformation began in Europe in the Catholic Church or religious conditions through the inquiry. Inquiry is nothing but through the questions. Who are giving questions? Who are asking questions? The scholars are asking the questions. Okay, who have educated, those people are asking questions, are inquiring to the Catholic Church popes related to the religious myths or religious superstitious beliefs. Okay. Next, causes for Reformation. Causes of Reformation. There were several causes for the Reformation movement. Following are some of the major causes. So, for the Reformation, we have some causes. Means why it was occurred. Why this Reformation started. Okay. Look at in your book. Spirit of inquiry. First one is causes for questioning. Who started this spirit of inquiry? Who have the knowledge? Who got the scholars started inquiry to the Catholic Church popes. Okay. The spirit of inquiry and rationalism broadened the outlook of man. The spirit of Renaissance led people to question the role of the church in their life and also the authority of the Pope. So here, in the Renaissance period only, the spirit of inquiry started. Okay, so when this started, later the scholars again it was improved by asking the questions to the Catholic Church or inquiring to the Catholic Church about the superstitious beliefs regarding the religious concepts. Okay, later only the Reformation came under the Catholic Church. Translation of the Bible into local languages enabled the common man to understand the teachings of Bible. So now, how the Reformation started? So when the first of all, the scholars started asking inquiry to the Catholic Church popes. Later, how the next step is bringing translation books. So in the Catholics, the religious book is a Bible. For Hindus, Ramayana and Mahabharata is a holy books now. As like here Catholic Church have the holy book of Bible. So in the Bible only present in the Greek and Latin languages. Okay. So now when the Reformation began, in the time scholars translated the Bible into local languages like Italy, French, like these languages, English, Spain, these are the local languages. For these local languages, Bible translated. Okay, so when the Bible translated to the local languages, all the common people started to read that Bible and they understood what were present in the Bible and what the popes are telling. They compared both and they understood what is true and what is false. Okay, so thus the common people also started to think and they also started to inquiry or questioning to the popes. Next, they no longer needed the interpretation of the Bible by the priest. People became aware of the malpractice of the church. So when the common people understood what were the rules and regulations and what the Bible is going to tell, everything they understood now. When the common people read in the local languages, they understood now what is there in the Bible. And now they understood the popes, how they cheated them by telling untruth. Okay. Next, another cause for Reformation is a movement against the church. So here spirit of inquiry, first one in the spirit of inquiry, translation of the books. Translation took place, very important in the spirit of inquiry. Okay, translation is very important in this paragraph. Second one is movement against the church. Against church. Against church. Anti-church movements began due to the following reasons. So anti-church means opposite. Anti means what? Opposite. Anti-church. Anti means opposite. Opposite. For what opposite? To the church. Church beliefs, church rules, regulations. For that, people started the anti-church movement. Where it was started? for the anti-church movement. First topic is acquisition of the wealth by the church. Acquisition means acquiring, taking under control, taking other from government to common people. Okay, that is called taking control. That is called acquisition. The church had vast properties which brought in ample income to it. So here church in the Renaissance period or in the previous Renaissance, people are church. Church have a lot of wealth. How they have wealth? How the wealth as? So it by getting the taxes. By getting taxes only wealth to the church. Okay, so here church have lot of properties, wealth in the church. How the church is getting that wealth and property? Through the common people, through the government. Okay, so here the church being an influential institution was expected from paying tax to the government. In addition, the church used to collect taxes 1/10 of the income from the common people. How much tax the common people paying to the government or church? 1/10. 1/10. For example, if a common people getting 10 rupees means their income 10 rupees means that they need to pay 1 rupee for a church. Okay, that is the tax to the church. Who paying tax here? The common people paying tax to the church. Next, so it acquired immense wealth. So now when the common people started to paying tax to the government as well as to the church, now church getting a lot of wealth. Okay, through the common people. Later, the government also providing to the church a lot of property. For example, land, money, ration, all these are providing to the government to church. Nowadays also we can see for example a famous temple is there. For that government providing some funds to that. Okay, like that here also in the Europe continent, when the Roman Catholic Church also getting a lot of property and wealth from the government as well as common people tax paying. Okay, that is the main reason for a movement against the church or as anti-church movement. Okay, so why we need to pay the tax? The people started to anti-church movement is nothing but people now started to questioning why we need to pay the tax to the church. Government is taking care of the church and the church does not need any wealth properties. Why the church need land? Why the church need all the rations? Why the church need money? Why? There is no use. If the common people have these all, they will be utilize it. Is it or not? Like here also, the scholars started anti-church activities during the Reformation movement. Okay. Next. So it is acquired immense wealth. This made the people feel that the church was concentrating more on worldly pleasures than on maintaining the scarcity of the church or the religious beauty. So now when the people got education, in the time, people started to think instead of religious duties, church is doing another duties. Why the church need property? Why the greedy? Why the church is getting too much greedy? Why the church is involving in political issues? These are all the questions arising in the anti-church movement in the period Reformation. Okay, that is the second point in the movement against the church. Next, second point is moral degeneration of the church officials. So, almost all officials of the church had become greedy and immoral. So, here the moral moral degeneration. Moral degeneration of the church officials. Officials. So moral. So moral is nothing but a, we all know, moral ethics. You heard this name? I hope you heard this name. Moral is nothing but a behaving like a human being. Okay, we should not harm to anyone. We should respect to each other. This is all morals. Okay, so moral degeneration of the church officials. Let me see. Almost all officials of the church had become greedy and immoral. So, if officials is nothing but the officers are a church chief persons. Okay. For example, if we take a temple, for them in the temple, the one is a priest, another one is the owner for that temple. Okay. So chief to the temple, like one unity is there. One organization for one temple, like here also church have the unity as an organization. Okay, so in this organization the officers, the priests, other people were included. No, those official people started greedy means durase. So they started, we need to get a lot of money, we need a lot of wealth. Like this, the people started, the officials started to get more and more wealth. Okay, so gaining political power, as well as they are not only a greedy, they are also getting political power. Political power, possession of material wealth and getting a privileged position in public life where the chief aims of the most of clergymen. So here the people, the official people, church officials started getting, they are feeling very greedy as well as getting political power, as well as now they are feeling we need respect, a lot of respect, more than king, we need respect in the society. Okay, they are feeling like that. The popes or bishops behaved more like kings and princes rather than religious and spiritual guides. So here, religious head means how he should behave like, he should be very calm, he should be not interested in any wealth, not interested in any prosperous wealth, or else he should be give very good words to the common people. Instead of this all, now popes behaving like the power, like they have only power more than king. They are the great people more than a king and queen. Okay, so when these are all happened in their mind, they started to controlling the king and queen. Okay, so after that the kings and queens came under the control of the pope. Completely now the king, there is no power to the king, or else there is no power to the queen. Now the political power completely under the church popes. Okay. So for this, the people started to questioning the kings and they started against the kings. Okay. Why the people? Why you are giving more importance to the popes? Instead of your duties, you are leaving your duties. Popes should be they need to do their religious duties only. Why they are involving political duties, and why you are not kings and queens? For common people asking question to the kings and queens also. Why you are leaving your duties? Why you are not doing your proper duties or political duties? Why you are not caring of us? Like these questions, the common people started to ask the questions to the officials of the church as well as the kings and queens. Okay. The third point is corrupt practices of the church. Corrupt means already corrupted, means missed, something unruled. Okay, that is called a corrupted practice of the church. The clergy's desire of gaining wealth made it appear that they were worshippers of Muhammad rather than of God. So here in the Renaissance period only, in Renaissance class, when we discussing about Renaissance, in that time I told the crusades between Christianity and Muslims. So here also one of the reason for reformation is Muslims. Okay, so here now when the popes are church officials started like greedily, behaving like greedily, and they are getting political powers, that impacted to the Muslim religion also. Okay, so when the Muslim religion impacted, the Muhammads of the Muslim religion, the main head of the Muslim religion is there, no? For they also started to think like they are more than God to the common people. Okay, so the Muhammads were clergymen started to tell that to the common people, I am the God to you. I am the follower of the God. Whatever God will tell me, I will tell you. I am the God. More than that, I am the God. Like that. Okay. So that is the one of the another issue to the in the church as well as in the Muhammads also religiously. Next, church religious and practices became a sources of profit. The church officials included indulged in several corrupt practices to earn more income. Some of them are mentioned below. So, corrupted how the church corrupted started. Okay, first one, sale of release. There were an unrestricted sale of release such as objects supposed to have been used by Jesus Christ, the Virgin Mary and apostles and the saints, as also the holy of holy splinters from the truth cross or from the bones of saints. So here sales of results means the related to the church, they are giving some documents. For example, you should take feudal system. So in the feudal system, the rich people giving land to the rent, no. Likewise, here also they are giving passes to the common people. By giving those passes, they are getting money. Okay, why the common people getting those? If you take these letters, you keep in your home, it will be good for your house. Nowadays also we are observing, if you keep this photo in your home, you will become a rich person. Like this thoughts. Okay, here also the church officials giving like that. Superstition beliefs, photos are released like that, they are getting more money. Okay. Okay, dear students, shall we stop here? In the next class we will continue the next points. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.